Get tough, ready? Hey folks, this is Josh, Stoney Ridge Farmer. Welcome to the farm vlog today. Today, we're starting more storm cleanup. So we've got a tree, a windfall right back here. Step to the side there, Steve, can you see it? So we've got a pine tree right down here. We're gonna be picking it up. We're gonna be using the little Kubota tractor and the Wicked 55 Grapple from Everything Attachments. Steve has never driven a tractor before. Come on up here. So what's your background, Steve?
Cooking.
Cooking. So you worked as a sous chef or a chef? Okay,
pastry
cool.
chef.
Pastry chef. So we got a pastry chef that's going to show you how to use the tractor today. We're going to throw the drone up in the air. Basically, I'm going to cut this tree right here into sections that are manageable enough that Steve can pick them up and take them to a brush pile that we've got to burn probably in the next couple weeks. So the next time we have a big rainstorm, we'll be burning that big brush pile over there with this tree on the top of it. So let's get to work. Not gonna be a whole lot of blah, blah, blah today. We're just gonna be getting some stuff done. All right? Woo! Alright, so we got our new Stihl MS311 saw. This is the one that we are going to be working with today. We'll tell you how to start a Stihl saw. Now I have not pulled the handle on this to start it yet. Right here, you flick this down, you squeeze the trigger, you flick it all the way down to full choke, okay? We're going to pull it until it kicks over. This is not the proper way to start the saw. You need it on the ground in a safe place, but this is how I start my saw. Okay? Now we're going to click it up one more to the high idle speed. That's off, that's on. One click up is high idle. We should be able to pull this one or two more times and it should fire right up. Alright, let that saw sit there and warm up for a minute. We'll put our headgear on and we'll get over here and start cutting. You have to be careful with a windfall like this that's falling over on the root ball because it can stand back up on you. So what we'll probably do, this is all poison ivy. So what we'll probably do is get to where we can get these branches up and then cut this into big sections. Also throw it over on the burn pile, but I don't want to get in there too deep because it's poison ivy and it will eat me alive. And we also got to be aware this windfall could try and stand up on us. So we've got to be careful and have some fun. That's the main thing. Where I'm talking about it, stand up on it. Alright, so right. Whenever you're working along a fence line like this, so this used to be pasture. Whenever you're working along a fence line like this, you got to constantly be aware. We got into a piece of barbed wire, which dictates no more worky so good with the chainsaw. So we're gonna have to sharpen the chainsaw now. Hopefully I didn't ruin the chain, but we should be all right. We've gotten it out of the pasture. We can grab this stuff with the grapple and get busy piling it up. All right. So what you guys can't see is that Steve has never ran a tractor before. He is just as timid as he can possibly be with this tractor. That's good. I think it's good that he's being cautious. He's learning a little bit. Pretty neat that he comes and volunteers. Really appreciate it. Just a very nice, helpful guy. He lives in Asheville, North Carolina, which is like a 3-hour drive, and he comes and helps me. So. The pressure of being on a YouTube video for your first time driving a tractor, I think it's getting to Steve. We're gonna get out of his face. When he gets done here, we're gonna bring him over, we're gonna interview him, talk to him a little bit about his first time ever using a tractor. He's doing a good job, it's pretty awesome. Tell me what you thought. This is your first time using a tractor. What'd you think about the Grapple? Was it cool?
It was.
Yeah?
It takes a little get used to him, but
yeah? Takes a little getting used to like how to articulate it or how to grab. What do you think the hardest part was?
Make sure, yeah.
Being able to get your angle right for when you pick everything up. I don't want to put words in his mouth, but he's not saying anything, so. So basically the tractor drives itself pretty much. You just mash one pedal and it goes forward, and mash the other pedal and it goes backwards. Brake pedal, and that's it. It's kind of like a riding lawnmower almost, isn't it? So, what'd you think about the Kubota? Was it loud, or what did it feel like you were driving? Did it feel like a car? Did it feel like a lawnmower, or what did it feel like to you?
A little bit of lawnmower-ish.
A little bit of lawnmower, a little bit of car?
Yeah.
Cool. You want to try it again sometime?
Sure.
You want to try the big tractor sometime? Big tractor is a little bit different. It's a geared tractor. This tractor has the Sync shuttle. This is a Kubota B3350, so it's a little around 30 horsepower Kubota tractor. Gets the job done for sure though.
Nice.
Definitely a handy thing to have this instead of dragging poison ivy brushes all the time. So guys, go to Everything Attachments website, check it out. There'll be a link down below. This is the Everything Attachments Wicked 55 Grapple. Just out having some fun. It's the stuff that's got to get done here on the farm. So
right.
Thanks, Steve.
Thank you.
Thanks for your help. He's a man of a few words. We'll see you next time on Stoney Ridge Farm. Don't forget, pound that like button, subscribe to the channel. Just thought we'd show you what we're out here doing today. Steve's volunteering. It's a good thing. See you next time. Woo! Woo! His woo is of a sick old lady.
Dead cow.
Land of the free.